Couples Court with the Cutlers.
This is the case of Sanchez-Brown versus Brown. You all have been married for 5 years. And Ms. Sanchez-Brown, you've got some concerns that your husband is cheating. You've asked this court to do a full investigation. Tell us why you're here.
I'm here today because I believe that my husband is cheating. He has been, what do you say? I've been finding things around the house, and he cheated in the past. So it's like, if you're gonna keep on doing it, just leave me alone.
So the fact that he's cheated in the past, you know what this feels like.
Yes, I do.
And your gut's telling you he's back to the same old thing. What does that gut feeling feel like?
Crystal, man, I love you, man, with everything in me. It's breaking me down. It's tearing me apart for you to accuse me of all these things.
You're doing the same things that you used to do.
When you see your wife with tears in her eyes, with the thought of you cheating, how does that make you feel when you see that?
It makes me want to cry right now. When she cry, it breaks me down. I don't want to put my wife in no more than what we already been through. I made mistakes in the past. I cleaned myself up as a man, and I'm trying to be a perfect husband, a good father to her and the kids, and I just want to prove to her that leave my past in the past, and I want to move forward with our life, with our marriage. We got a lot at stake, our household, our 6 children. I want the romance back. I want our love back. I want the laughter. I want the good times back. And I'm just here to prove my case to her, that I love her.
Okay, you want to go back to the good times. What did that look like? Because it makes you happy just talking about it.
The good times, we just sit up all night just laughing, talking, enjoying each other's company. I can't go a day without seeing her. I can't, even if I'm at work, I'm the one texting and calling her, checking up on her, because, you know, she on my mind all day. That's my wife. She beautiful. I love her.
All right, so Ms. Sanchez-Brown, you said he's cheated in the past, but you all got back together.
Yeah.
What made you take him back?
I love this man with all my heart. We have a family together. We're trying to raise everything.
So what is it about him that you love?
Like on Valentine's Day, what I woke up to was a big bouquet of balloons, some big flowers, a card, and like a whole thing of chocolate. I was blown away.
That's the joy for me. It's putting a smile on my wife's face, man.
Look, I get it, because, you know, there have been many Valentine's Day where I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I'm gonna scrape together whatever I can scrape together, but I've got to get this woman something. So I know how you feel, because you want to put that smile on their face. So I get that. You're not smiling right now.
No.
Because you think something's going on.
Yes. It was a situation where we're moving, and we moved everything out the house. It's trash over the floor. I start picking up, sweeping up the stuff, and I see like earring and a lip balm. And so I pick it up, I'm like, well, this is not mine. So where did it come from? So I call Sean in. What is this?
Oh.
The earring.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't wear earrings like that at all. He tells me it's my 2-year-old daughter's. Does it look like my 2-year-old daughter can wear this?
It's about the size of a 2-year-old's head.
Babe, Kristen.
Then on top of that, he tells me it's my sister's now. My sister doesn't even have her ears pierced.
Kristen.
So I'm wondering, where did it come from?
Okay. Where did that earring come from?
Your Honor, I'm a barber, so I have a lot of clients in and out the house. And I try to explain to her, we got people in and out the house, her family as well.
Why would it be dug
My
in the
family.
couch?
We got 6 kids. The kids is in her jewelry box every day, all day long.
Okay.
But you're a barber, right? I mean,
yes.
Most guys don't wear hoop earrings.
I got clients that
are women.
I have females that come and bring their youngest sons to the house.
Mr. Brown, let me ask you something.
Yes.
You gonna expect me? Now, he might believe it. Do you believe this?
Well, I mean, okay, I've been to the
got
barbershop, and I know women bring their sons to get their haircut.
All right,
So
all right.
that happens.
I understand that, but he's trying to get me. I'm gonna just talk about me then. You try to get me to believe that somebody came through with their son and dropped their earring.
It's possible. And then on the flip side of that, I have 6 kids. And so if I got clients over, the kids is interacting with my clients' kids.
Okay,
and
that doesn't explain it. Did you tell your wife that it could be your 2-year-old's earring?
Yes, I did.
Looking at that earring, you thought your 2-year-old might wear that earring.
At the time, yeah.
Ron, could you hand me that earring, please?
Here you go.
That's almost a bracelet for a 2-year-old.
Bracelet, necklace.
Okay. Okay, Cutler. This man told his wife that his 2-year-old wore this.
He said it was possible.
It's possible.
possible.
I didn't say
Okay.
my 2-year-old. I said it's possible.
It's possible.
It's possible.
Okay, what was...
It's possible that it belonged to his 2-year-old. Mm-hmm. What was the other story you had?
My clients, I have clients in and out the house.
Female clients.
Male clients, female. Majority is female clients because
With kids.
we're kids.
And you also said it could be your sister-in-law's earring, right?
My wife has her family over all the time. She has sisters.
But she ain't-
She has a mother. Sometimes they're in and out the house. Sometimes she might not see the different, her family come over and
I'm gonna
move
cut
through
to
the
the
house.
chase. Does this earring and the lip balm, right? Mm-hmm. Does that belong to a woman you were sleeping with?
No,
A woman you had relations with?
no,
A woman that you were involved with in any way romantically?
no, ma'am.
You don't know where this earring came
I don't know
from.
where that earring came
You
from.
just coming up with just suggestions.
I'm just trying to get to the bottom of this and clear my name and be a faithful man
Hand
to
this
my
back
wife.
to the 2-year-old. She can wear that as a bracelet.
So, Ms. Sanchez-Brown, do you have any other reason to believe that he's cheating?
No, that's not the only thing I found in the house.
Oh,
All right. What else?
I had found
What else did you find?
Condoms.
Okay.
is that the exhibit you brought?
Yes, I have.
Can you step to the monitor and explain your exhibit?
I look on the sink.
All right,
I was
the
like,
sink in
okay.
the kitchen, the
Yeah,
bathroom?
the sink in the kitchen. It's 2 wine cases that we have. So I'm like, okay, let me just throw them out. I pick it up, I feel something in it. So I'm like, okay, what is this? I open it up. It's a whole bunch of condoms.
Is that where you keep your condoms?
We don't use condoms.
All right, well, that would explain why that was a surprise find.
Okay.
I call him in. What is this doing here? He's like, well, we have the 6 kids. We need to start protecting ourselves to prevent another child. So I'm like, okay, cool. So about 2 weeks passed. It's about, well, I could say 12 condoms we used when
In 2 weeks?
in 2 weeks.
Wow.
6 times a day we do something. Well, we get it in.
Wait.
Wait a minute. One more time, Mr. Culler,
Yeah,
for 6
one more
times a
time.
week. And y'all got, wait a minute, y'all
6 times a week.
with 6 kids. They got 6 times with 6 kids. You go.
All right, more
So-
power to you.
Okay, back to the story. It's supposed to be 20, it's supposed to be 28 condoms left.
Right.
When I went to go check that box, it wasn't 28 left.
How many were
It
left?
was only 10 condoms in there. So I'm wondering where the hell the other 18 went.
So this actually
What
is
about
the
18
case of the missing condoms.
Your Honor,
All right, help me.
I have male friends that come over from time to time, and they go through my stuff, and I tell my wife that. They
I ain't got
ask
no
me-
friends like that.
It's a condom
I
dispensary.
mean, but just because they're missing, that doesn't mean I'm cheating on her.
Why don't you come back to the podium?
You gave away 18 condoms in 2 weeks?
Sir, my male friends
That's
come
more
over, they
than
go
one a
through my
day.
stuff and they might take them for them. But that, as
What,
soon
if
as
they
she see
taking
that missing,
handfuls?
that doesn't mean I'm cheating. It could have been the kids playing with them and threw them away. The kids get
the
into
kids be under the
everything,
sink?
sir.
So your
Ripping them out.
2-year-old who's wearing these big hoop earrings is also playing with condoms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanchez-Brown, have you found anything else to make you think he's cheating?
Yes, once again,
What have you found?
some food receipts.
Okay.
For
Receipts?
2.
And what does the receipt say?
The receipt had, for 2, it had drinks and eatery. This is like at 2 a.m. and he was supposed to been working.
Could he been on a meal break?
Sean calls me on his meal breaks. So he'd be like, it's him just stepping out for like not even a 10-minute break and then he has to go back to work.
So he doesn't get a long break to go
No.
somewhere and sit down and have a meal.
No,
At 2 in the morning.
no, and then they provide him with that anyway.
So you think he was out with another woman?
I believe so.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I work at a nightclub. She found the receipts in my pocket, and I said, yeah, that's because after I was finished with my job, my coworkers, employees invited me out, women and men, to go have a good time. Yeah, I had meals with them, but it was as something we do at the job. We
All
drink
right, but
together.
why was it just 2 people on the receipt?
That particular night, one of my coworkers, we always do this. One night, one person buys the food. The other night, the other person buys the drinks.
Was this coworker a female?
Female and a male, yes.
No, there are only two of you on the receipt, you and the other coworker. Was the other coworker male or female?
A female.
All right.
That's my supervisor.
Okay, so
Don't
to get
make
it
a
straight, you were at a restaurant at 2 in the morning.
With my supervisor and the rest of my coworkers, and there's nothing else. It's simple job related.
All right.
All right, so you're telling this court that you have not had any sexual contact with anyone else since you all got back together from the earlier incident in January of 2016.
Yes, sir.
To get to the bottom of this, the court has enlisted the services of licensed private investigator and certified polygraph examiner, Michael Williams. Ron, would you please escort Mr. Williams into the courtroom?
Yes, John. Mr. Williams. All right, sir. Okay,
Mr. Williams, how are you today?
Just great. How are you doing?
Good, good to see you. Now, Mr. Williams, what did you do to investigate in this case?
In this case, we placed the litigant in a room with a hidden camera with an attractive woman who was posing as the litigant. She began to flirt with him. The goal was to see if Mr. Brown would do anything inappropriate and try to cheat with her.
Did Mr. Brown do anything interesting?
Oh, yes, he did.
All right, share that with us.
Approximately 15 minutes after the initial meeting, the conversation turned personal. Take a look.
Take one of them. 773.
I'm gonna call you if you don't care. So you
All
can.
right. Did I get that?
763. Yeah. 773.
Yeah.
All right. Miss Sanchez-Brown, you look completely stressed out.
I am.
What's going through your mind?
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Everything I've done for you, Sean, really?
Crystal.
Really? I done had your back from the lowest to the highest, Sean. How dare you? I can't even look at you right now.
Crystal, I didn't do nothing.
You got her number down. You took her number.
Mr. Williams, did he do anything?
Eventually, my associate asked Mr. Brown to go out. Take a look at this.
Well, I decided to go out tonight. You should definitely let me know.
All right.
Me and my girls probably will.
I mean, I want to be a people's person, but I got a wife. I don't know this shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to get into it with her, man.
I understand.
That's why it's crazy.
Was that the number I found?
Crystal, no.
Was that the number I found?
No.
Then what was that number?
A client.
That you did not want me to call
That was
yesterday.
a client from back home.
All right. I don't believe that. That might be her number.
That ain't her number.
All right.
But Miss Sanchez-Brown, he did tell her he was married. When she asked him to go out,
Some women do not care.
I did
I
not say
understand
nothing to
that,
the
and
woman when I was sitting in there. I stayed to myself. She kept making conversations with me. I tried to be a people person, okay? Man, I got a wife. Maybe she can give us something to do together.
Oh.
For me.
Okay.
Because if a man was talking to me, I'd be like, no, I'm not gonna have this conversation
I told
with you.
the
And
woman I'm
no,
married.
I wouldn't even talk. I would turn around like
And I wasn't
looking at my
saying
phone.
nothing.
I'm not gonna do that to you.
wasn't
I'm
saying
not.
nothing.
I'm not.
I wasn't saying
I wouldn't
nothing.
pay to do no attention.
Crystal, I wasn't saying
I
nothing.
don't care how many questions he's asking me. I'm not gonna pay no attention.
To further investigate this, we also had Mr. Brown to undergo a polygraph examination, and we have those results.
Mr. Brown was asked, did you use the condoms your wife found in your house to have sex with women other than your wife? What was his response?
Your Honor, he said no.
What did the lie detector determine?
Your Honor, there was a significant physiological response to this question, indicating deception.
Mr. Brown?
Why would you do that? Why?
You put me out the house plenty of times, and
That doesn't make you cheat. I don't make you cheat.
Where are you gonna go from here?
I don't know.
Mr. Brown, where are you gonna go from here?
try my best to save my marriage. And I wish you can just get to the point where we could just get through these things and move on with our life, for not just for me and you, but for the kids, man.
Let me just say this. A family is a gift. Mm-hmm. You don't throw it away. We want you to take advantage of the counseling we have so that you can communicate and learn how to build the trust you need to have a successful marriage and a successful family. As we say in this court, do not cheat yourself out of an opportunity to have a happy, healthy relationship. Court is adjourned.